A very good morning to all of you. So in this video, we are going to discuss about manufacture of chlorine in large scale by electrolytic process. Manufacture of chlorine by electrolytic process. Chlorine is manufactured by the electrolysis of brine in electrolytic process or by the oxidation of HCl by air in Tikhon process. We will discuss Tikhon process in separate video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the electrolytic process of manufacture of chlorine from brine solution, nothing but sodium chloride solution. When a solution of brine, NaCl, is electrolyzed, current is passed into the solution of sodium chloride, Na plus and Cl minus ions are formed. Na plus ion react with OH minus ions of water and forms sodium hydroxide. Na plus from the electrolyte sodium chloride react with OH minus ion of the aqueous solvent water and forms sodium hydroxide NaOH. Hydrogen and chlorine are liberated as hydrogen and chlorine gases near the electrode. Sodium chloride NaCl undergo ionization gives Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. The solvent water on ionization and produce H plus and OH minus ion. The Na plus ion of sodium chloride combine with the OH minus ion of water and form NaOH. Due to this formation of sodium hydroxide, the solution is basic in nature. Due to the formation of sodium hydroxide, the solution is basic in nature. And at cathode is one in which reduction reaction takes place. The H plus ion gain one electron, becomes hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atoms combine with each other and liberate H2 molecule. What happens at the anode? At the anode, Cl minus ion undergo oxidation, loss electron, becomes chlorine. Chlorine atoms combine with each other and form chlorine gases. These hydrogen and chlorine gases are formed near the cathode and the anode. So, like this, in this process, we prepared chlorine gases. This is the electrolytic process of manufacture of chlorine. Now, we are going to discuss how these reactions takes place in stepwise. Manufacture of chlorine by electrolytic process. In electrolytic process, an electrolytic cell is used. It consists of electrolytic path which contain electrolyte. Electrolyte is a salt solution in presence of electric current. It is called electrolyte. And two electrodes are immersed in the electrolytic solution. Two electrodes are immersed in the electrolytic solution. Among the two electrodes, one electrode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. and another electrode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So one is connected to the positive terminal, another one is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Because of this wire is connected to positive terminal, the electrode is called positive electrode and negative electrode. The positive electrode is called anode, positive electrode, and the negative electrode is called cathode. In our example, we are going to electrolyze a brine solution, sodium chloride in water H2O. This is called a brine solution. Brine solution. Note the spelling. Brine solution. And what happens when we pass a current? Initially, these two electrodes are called a assembly rod, metallic rod. When current is passed through this rod, in presence of electric current, the same rod is called the electrode. Initially, these two are called rod, assembly rod. When electric current is passed through it, in presence of electric current, the same rod is called electrode. In the absence of current, it is called rod. Like that, initially it is called a salt solution. But in presence of current, the same salt solution is called electrolyte. This elect word indicate current is passed through that solution. So, what happens when current is passed through the solution? Before that, remember this symbol word. When current is passed, the sodium chloride solution undergo ionization, produces the respective ions. The ions, cation is positively charged, always moves towards cathode, which is negatively charged. Cation moves towards cathode, and the anion, which is negatively charged, when current is passed, moves towards anode. Anode is positively charged. Simply remember, during electrolysis, C, cation moves towards cathode, and C to C, A to A, anion moves towards anode. Cation moves towards cathode and anion moves towards anode. First, what is the reaction takes place in electrolyte? In electrolyte, when current is passed through the electrolyte, what happens? We know our electrolyte is sodium chloride solution. When current is passed into the solution, what happens? Both NaCl and water molecule undergo ionization. How? Sodium chloride, NaCl, in presence of current undergo ionization, gives Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. Like that, water H2O undergo ionization, gives H plus ion and OH minus ion. Water undergo ionization, gives H plus ion, OH minus ion. These oppositely charged ion Na plus ion combine with the OH minus ion and gives sodium hydroxide NaOH. Due to the formation of sodium hydroxide, the solution is basic in nature. The solution is basic in nature. So this is a reaction takes place in the electrolyte. Now, what are the reactions takes place in anode and cathode? At anode is one in which oxidation reaction takes place. It is positively charged electrode. Anode is one which is a positively charged electrode, and in this electrode which reaction takes place? Oxidation reaction takes place. What is meant by oxidation? According to electronic concept, oxidation is loss of electron is called oxidation. So loss of electron is called oxidation. In anode, Cl minus ion, the negatively charged ion, moves towards anode and loss one electron, becomes chlorine atom. Like that, more and more number of Cl minus ion moves towards anode, loss electron and becomes chlorine atom. Chlorine atom Cl plus Cl combine with each other, form chlorine molecule. That chlorine is liberated as chlorine gas near the anode. So manufacture of chlorine is over. What happens at cathode? At cathode, we know a cathode is one which is a negatively charged electrode. The charge on cathode is negatively charged electrode. Cathode is one which is a negatively charged electrode. In cathode, which type of reaction takes place? Reduction reaction takes place in cathode. What is meant by reduction? Gain of electron is called reduction. Gain of electron is called reduction. So which is used to gain electron? Now the H plus ion from the electrolyte gain the electrons of chlorine and becomes hydrogen atom. Like that, more and more number of H plus ion gain electron and becomes hydrogen atom. Two hydrogen atoms combine with each other, form H2 molecule. So liberation of H2 takes place near the cathode, liberation of chlorine takes place near the anode, and this is the reaction of manufacture of chlorine by electrolytic process. In the incoming video, we will discuss the Tikhon process of manufacture of chlorine. So one more time I remind you, please, if you still not subscribed my channel, and subscribe it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.